Hi, I'm Hannah Brier and I'm a Welsh and GB international sprinter. I run the 100, 200 and recently the 400 metres. I've competed at 2 Commonwealth Games, a World Junior Championships, a World Youth Championships, European Junior Championships and very recently the World Indoor Championships. Today we're at Ysgol Gymraeg Ystalyfera, which is actually my old comprehensive school. It's really cool being back. It's changed completely. I don't think I've stepped through these doors in about 8 years, but it's really nice being back. So my athletics career actually kick-started here. In fact, this sports hall actually plays a big memory in my head. It was actually when I was in year 11 that I got selected for my first Commonwealth Games, and I remember being outside of those doors just behind me and the news coming out and everyone finding out, and it was a really special memory. But you know, I've always loved sports. I've done sport throughout school. I did absolutely everything. I started to get really good really quickly, and it was a little bit of a shock because come the age of 16 I was then selected for the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, and I was the youngest ever track and field athlete to be selected. So that was really cool, and that was obviously during my year 11 year, so I was still studying for my GCSEs. I was trying to train for Commonwealth Games alongside studying, revising, turning up for all my lessons. I don't think I missed a day of school, and I don't think I missed a day of training. So it was really tough, but it was definitely worth it. When you look back and you see, you know, I've broken 15 Welsh records along the way. I've competed for my country at major games. I've put on a GB vest for the first time. Like it's really spectacular, and I think being in Ystalyfera and being around such inspiring teachers and students has definitely helped me along the way, 100%. And I'm so grateful for that.